Hi, welcome to Doris and Kids. My name is Doris. So today's video, we are going to be building a bunk bed for the kids. Well, I'm going to be building a bunk bed. I may ask for help because I really don't have the muscle. No furniture, nothing like that because everything is built into the bus. And before moving to the bus, we saw everything from the house. So we're starting fresh. And one of the things we need is bed for the kids. This room is not very big. So we cannot fit 3 beds in here and still have space for the kids to do stuff. So I decided to build up and to stack it up, kind of like a stairs. I don't know if that makes sense. I decided to use 2x6s. So this is the short piece. This is going to be the top and the bottom. I cut 40 in half, and the long piece is 80. The reason I made it a little bit wider than the normal size for the twin bed is because when the kids put sheets on the bed, I wanted to be able to tuck it in instead of hanging down off the bed. So this will give them a little bit of space on the sides wise to be able to tuck it in. Also the length as well, just to tuck the sheeting and it's not hanging off the bed and it look way neat. Then when I don't have that much space and have to hang off the bed. Pocket holes because I'm going to use pocket holes to join it, and I'm going to wood glue it also to make it very durable and strong. Because if you're going on the end grain, it's very easy to split out. And there's a Minimalist guy out there. I'm saying, who's out the window? Yes, we have a Minimalist guy. I don't have to do the yard anymore or mow or anything like that. This thing never so much, but still, I don't have to do any of that. But yeah, so I'm going to join it with pocket hole and wood glue just to make it more durable for my kids, because my kids jump at stuff. My kids are just horrible with furniture, just horrible. So I'm just trying to prevent future headache of things breaking. So I'm going to try to join it as strong as possible.
You don't want to do the intro first?
Use that muscle. Oh, okay. I feel like I'm not needed.
Like that?
Yeah.
Oh, all the way up. Okay.
You know how to like right here.
I'm lifting engines for a living.
Oh yeah. Oh, you can look my heart. What does Yo man. You're home.
Where he's from?
From Abilene? Wait, so you really John did that. Yeah, jump on it.
It's sturdy, I guess.
And who built this? Who built this?
They just can't rock it side to side.
No, yeah, I was gonna Facebook. Oh
You
God.
do that?
I just started doing that. I'm divorced. Well, not yet. In God's eye, I'm divorced. So I figure the best way to get over that and move on. Which I
This on low lease.
basically, yeah. Right. Take it up and then right here. Okay. Madison, come here, huh? I'm having no Wilson. Oh, my tippy toes. You need tippy toes? Yeah. No, not that long. Okay. Ready? Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the finished product of the Kiss Triple Bunk Bed that I've been working on. It was a lot of work, but a lot of fun. Just figured out how to put everything together and have it very stable for the kids. But the bottom bed right here, this is my younger child, Dorian. He's 4. So this is his bunk bed, and Pikachu is his thing right now. And then the second bunk bed, this is my honor son, Sonny, who is 8. And this is him, and his little glass case is right there. Underneath his bunk bed, this is where the toy storage is gonna go. That is a Kia storage thing. I need to put a bit in there, the toys, but the toys will go under here. That way the rest of the room is very not cluttered. But it only have those things to put toys, so we just rotate it out when we need to, but it's not gonna be more than what can fit in those bins. And that is gonna be the 9 bins total. So that's enough toy for them. And my kids don't really play with toys that much. They like to go outside. They're very outdoors kids, so I'm not worried about them not having enough toys. So the bunk up there, that is Madison, my second daughter. I know she's gonna decorate her bunk because she loves pink and princesses thing. But right now, that's just what I put in there. And yeah. So if you have any question or any suggestion how I can make this better, I think it's fine, but I don't know. You may have a better idea than what I did putting this together. Please comment down below and let me know. And don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.